The XHand is equipped to load in three very distinct ways: by front loading, digging, and grab loading, which can be done by both sides of the device. The attachment's load-through capability enables an operator to load directly off the ground, making it easier to load trucks. Gravel can pass through the unit by front loading from a bank and rear unloading into the truck, effectively speeding up cycle times. Logs and other large objects such as broken concrete can be loaded through the attachment, making them easier to handle or clear in more confined working areas. Loading both sides of the device separately enables the attachment to utilize a double handful, making it very efficient in carrying debris for longer distances. The XHand screening component consists of a series of interchangeable panels inlaid between the fingers, which serve as a built-in grizzly system to keep boulders from damaging the screens. With every handful excavated, operators have the option of either screening the material or moving it. The XHand's change-on-the-go functions allow the operator to open and close each section and access the hand's desired function without stopping to change buckets. At the same time, the machine is able to screen aggregate or soil at any moment during the process. The XHand transforms an excavator into a new integrated unit that utilizes functions of 4 separate machines: the excavator, the cat, the front-end loader, and the screener.